Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to share with you how you can make money online, and in today's video I'm going to share with you some apps and various ways to make money from the comfort of your home. The first app on my list here is called Zertual. Zertual is a virtual assistant app. Yes, it's a firm app where you can get gigs as a virtual assistant. For example, I have a virtual assistant that posts on my social media platforms and I pay her every month. So you can get gigs as a virtual assistant. You can even manage multiple companies and multiple businesses, so long as you're able to have good time management skills and you don't make mistakes by posting what is meant for company A on company B's page. So please, you have to be mindful, you have to be tactful, you have to be resilient, you have to really understand how to manage people as well. So yes, you can use Zertual for a start. Another thing you can do is teaching. Do you know that you can teach arts to adults? One night and one weekend afternoon per week, you can teach anything. Yes, you can teach anything online. So if you have a skill that you think that you create a class around, there are places online for you to teach. In fact, you can teach your language. Some sites even let you offer pre-recorded lessons, so you don't have to be there real time. You don't have to be there live. Guys, take advantage of all of these opportunities. Another way to also make money from the comfort of your home is to sell on eBay, on Mercari, on Poshmark. So yes, you can take your clothes to the thrift store with you to find items, and you can post them online when you have the time. In fact, another way to also make money is when companies hire for part-time work from home jobs. So you can become a work from home email or live chat customer service too. You can do freelance transcription, yes. So you can also get started with Scribby. Scribby is an app or a platform or a website where you can start a job as a freelance transcriptionist. Yes, you can get started with Scribby. Once I had some experience, I started at 3Play Media and I love the way they do things there. And like I said, you can sell your old clothes or electronics or even your games on Poshmark and Mercari. It's also a clutter cleanup plus cash. Instead of throwing them in the trash, you can sell them and make money. And you can also use apps like this to make money. Use surveys, apps like iBota.com, like Fetch.com, like Swagbox.com. You can also get money back buying items that you would ordinarily have bought. Depending on your neighborhood, sometimes there are opportunities for dog walking, yes, part-time childcare. The point is for you to maximize your time with your kids so that you can be flexible. You can have flexible options, and you can also pay your bills, and you can also cash out the same way. And another app is MSR. MSR is a paid survey app, and they do screen recordings for cash, and you can make up to $20 just for one survey that you can complete within minutes, and you can get as many surveys. You can also sign up for several gigs, yes, like DoorDash, like Grubhub and Instacart. You can also become a secret shopper, yes, through ace.com, and you can also try Mobee, mobee.com. Yes, they are active and they pay you to play games, yes. And you can also do all grocery shopping with iBota coupons. Another way to make money is to do small home bakery, yes, and then you sell it, and then you also have crafting costume or jewelry that you can sell. So these are ways to make money. Now, I know some people don't mind doing stuff like OnlyFans. And two other apps where you can do stuff like OnlyFans are Fansly and the other Spicy Accounting. Yes, Spicy Accounting is another app that is like OnlyFans. But one thing I would say is don't ever agree to meet them in person, because a lot of people are creepy. So please do not agree to meet them in person. And of course, when you fill in survey websites as well, do not give in your personal information. Don't give your real name, don't give your real address, don't give your age, your date of birth. Don't ever do that. Don't give out your date of birth, don't give out your social security details, don't give out your credit card details. Do not do that. You have to be mindful, you have to be careful. In as much as I try to do my due diligence, also try to secure yourself. You're mindful of security, because identity theft is real. So please try as much as possible to not give away your personal information. Yes, answer their questions to the best of your capacity. Be as honest as you can regarding the subject matter. If you're talking about maybe a product in the market, do you like this product? If you genuinely like it, tell them. If you genuinely do not like it, if you don't like it, tell them. Yes, be honest with your responses. But when it comes to your personal details, personal information, your security information, please do not give out your personal security information so that they will sell your data and stuff like that. So yes, I think that's about it. Try out all these strategies and you'll be surprised. You're on your way to making money. Being broke will now be a thing of the past. So guys, there you have it. Making money is easier than you think. You can also sell your craft or sell your products or your services on an app called Nextdoor. Nextdoor is an app that connects you with people around your local neighborhood, and you can sell to them. And because you're neighbors, they trust you to a large extent. People like to behave themselves on Nextdoor, because if you don't behave yourselves, they will cast you, and everybody will know that, oh, that person is this scammer. People want to just be at their best. People want to behave themselves because they call out themselves a lot on the app. So you want to be in the good books. It's for your sake and for your brand's sake. So yes, here is how to enter for my giveaway. Oh, did I remember to mention I'm doing a giveaway in today's video? Yes, we have finally launched our Telegram channel. So go ahead and share the Telegram channel with your friends, your family members, and your backup members. Go ahead and share with them. And when you do that, share with 50 of your friends, and come back to this video and let me know how many people you were able to add. If you added 20, if you were able to add 20 or 30 or 40, let me know in the comments. Please do not inflate the figures. The moment you lie or you inflate it, I am going to disqualify you. I'm going to be selecting randomly, and it's for a limited period of time. So go ahead and start sharing my Telegram link with your friends and your village members, and that way, once I select you, I'm going to send you cash where in the world. I'm sure you have MoneyGram, you have Western Union Money Transfer, you have World Remit. I can always send it to you. And that is it for today, guys. Thank you all so much for watching all the way till the very end. I'm your girl Mariam. If you haven't introduced yourselves yet, please go ahead and introduce yourself in the comments. I'd like to know you, meet you, where in the world are you tuning in from. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you. And if you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Mariam. I'm sorry. My name is Mariam. I live in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer and a content creator here on YouTube. I drop 3 videos every week. It's all about helping you make money from the comfort of your home. And of course, I will see you in my next video. In case no one has told you today, let me be the first to tell you that you're amazing and I'm so proud of you. Take care, guys, and bye for now. God bless you.